Hello everyone. For today's demonstration, I'm going to install WinRAR on Windows 10. So let's begin. Alrighty then. So open up applications folder. Um, I'm gonna be using. Actually, I did say in my other video I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. So let's use Google Chrome. Right. Minimize that. I'm gonna close that. I'm not gonna set it by default. So on the URL, I'm gonna type in www.win. No, excuse me. Raw lab.com and enter. Cool. We can go here and click on download now. Okay, so what we can do is we can look for WinRAR or RAW 5.90 release. This is still in beta, right? And then look for English, right? As you can see, English is here, right? And pick the bit correlating for the operating system that you have on your computer. Now, there's tons of languages, as you can see. Pick the language that you want to choose for your operating system, right? Correlated with the bits. All right, so I got a 64-bit version of Windows. I'm gonna pick this one. Click 64-bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna minimize Google Chrome, and I'm gonna double click on the WinRAR installer. Click yes. I'm gonna minimize that. So I'm gonna do toggle all. Oh, excuse me. Toggle all. Create a WinRAR for the desktop and startup menu, and click OK, and click done. There you go. WinRAR's installed. Want to make sure it's fully installed. And this is how you install WinRAR. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.